Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. Electrostatic precipitator. In this course will be explained. Question and answers. On electrostatic precipitator troubleshooting. Question 1. What are the potential reasons for large dust collection on collecting plates and discharge electrodes? Answer. One. Higher dust load on electrostatic precipitator. 2. Improper wrapping. 3. Low velocity of flue gas. 4. Higher resistivity of ash. 5. Electrostatic precipitator running under capacity. Question 2. Why there is sparking in the fields? Answer. One. Excessive dust formation on plates. 2. Very less gap between collecting plate and emitting electrodes. 3. Improper alignment of electrodes. 4. Obstacle of foreign material in the field and touching the discharge electrode. 5. Improper charge ratio. Question 3. What are the reasons for higher emission at stack outlet? Answer. One. Undersize electrostatic precipitator, or wrong design. 2. Improper wrapping. 3. Higher spark rate. 4. Improper distribution of flue gas. 5. Transformer not working, or under capacity. Question 4. What are the reasons for damage corrosion of electrostatic precipitator electrodes and casing plates? Answer. One. Operation of electrostatic precipitator at lower flue gas temperature, less than 1208 degrees C continuously. 2. More ash deposition on plates. 3. Leakages in electrostatic precipitator, due to which air ingress, cause condensation of flue gas on electrodes and other internals. 4. No insulation, or using lesser thickness insulation material. 5. Wrong operation of wrapping system. 6. Not cleaning of ash in shutdowns. Question 5. Why there is a difference in hopper temperatures of electrostatic precipitator fields? Answer. It is due to the different load on different fields. Field which discharge more ash, has more temperature, and field discharging low ash, is having low hopper temperature. Question 6. What do you mean by back corona effect? Answer. A phenomenon back corona is caused by the electrical breakdown of gas in the dust layer. This breakdown produces positive ions, which drift toward the negative discharge electrode. The presence of ions with opposite polarity causes a reduction in the particle charge and particle collection efficiency. Question 7. Why there is fluctuation in electrostatic precipitator current and voltage? Answer. One. Movement or swaying of discharge electrodes, and creating close contact with collecting plates. 2. Close contact of foreign material, with discharge electrodes. 3. Loose connection of cables, which are connected to control panel. 4. Leakage current and induction. 5. High ash level in hopper, or touching discharge electrodes. Question 8. What are the reasons for failure of support insulators? Answer. One. Higher operating temperature. 2. Higher dust collection, and electrical arcing. 3. Shock loads. Question 9. Why there is more ash collection at electrostatic precipitator first chamber field, as compared to other fields? Answer. In electrostatic precipitator first chamber field there is huge drop of flue gas velocity, that is from 12 meters per second, to around 1 meters per second. Which causes more ash collection in first chamber field. So current for electrostatic precipitator first chamber field, is kept lesser as compared to other fields. Question 10. Why electrostatic precipitator field voltage reduces, when the current increased? Answer. It is due to the back corona effect, due to higher resistivity of ash. To get rid of this increase wrapping frequency. Question 11. Why explosion occurs always in electrostatic precipitator? And how do you avoid it? Answer. One. Generally electrostatic precipitator has low velocity zone, where there is possibility of collection of explosive gases and unburned fuel. The explosive gas, namely carbon monoxide associated with unburned fuel, settles at electrostatic precipitator corners, or at collecting plate wrapping system. When the cold air or hot unburned particle comes in contact with this gas, it suddenly explodes. 2. So in order to avoid this, need to take care on following points. 3. Maintain balanced draft in furnace, to achieve good combustion as well as, to avoid carryover of unburned particles. 4. Arrest all layer leakages in electrostatic precipitator. 5. Avoid charging electrostatic precipitator at flue gas temperature, less than 125 degrees Celsius. 6. Do not bypass any of the electrostatic precipitator interlocks. 7. Ensure proper operation of wrapping system. 8. Ensure healthiness of explosion vent provided at electrostatic precipitator inlet and outlet cones. Question 12. How the air ingress affects on electrostatic precipitator performance? Answer. One. Air ingress lowers the flue gas temperature, thereby corrosion of electrostatic precipitator internals. 2. Pressure drop across electrostatic precipitator increases. 3. Load on ID fans increases. 4. Lead secondary combustion of unburned particles in electrostatic precipitator. Question 13. What operation parameters affect on electrostatic precipitator performance? Answer. 1. Flue gas temperature. 2. Flue gas volume. 3. Flue gas composition. 4. Inlet dust load. 5. Density of ash. Question 14. How do you calculate the electrostatic precipitator efficiency? Answer. Electrostatic precipitator efficiency equals. It is around 99% for best performing electrostatic precipitator. Question 15. What do you mean by the term emission? Answer. Emission is the release of pollutants into the air from a source. Question 16. What do you mean by aspect ratio? And how do it affect on dust collection? Answer. One. It is the ratio of collecting plate's length to the height. It should be around 0.5 to 2. 2. If collecting plate's height is more than their length, then there is a possibility of carryover of dislodged dust particles with flue gas. Question 17. What are the advantages of electrostatic precipitators? Answer. Also called smoke precipitators, or electrostatic air cleaning systems, the electrostatic precipitators has many advantages. 1. The systems are very durable, and have low operating costs. 2. Depending on the system installed, they can be used to collect dry or wet pollutants. 3. They can handle heavy loads removing particles from gases and dust. 4. High efficiency 99%, particle removal. Question 18. On what factors electrostatic precipitators efficiency depends on? Answer. Electrostatic precipitators efficiency depends on following factors. 1. Dust collection area of electrostatic precipitators. 2. Dust particles size. 3. Dust or flue gas volume. 4. Resistivity of dust particles present in flue gas. Question 19. What do you mean by corona power ratio? Answer. One. Corona power ratio is the ratio of power consumed in watts to the flue gas flow in cubic feet per minute. 2. Corona power ratio equals power consumed by electrostatic precipitators in watts over flue gas flow in CFM. This tells us about the energy consumed in filtering 1 cubic foot of flue gas per minute. The corona power ratio affects the efficiency of an electrostatic precipitator. Higher the corona power ratio, higher is the efficiency of the electrostatic precipitator. Question 20. What do you mean by specific collecting area, SCA? And how do you calculate it? Answer. It is the ratio of total collecting surface area of the electrostatic precipitators to the flue gas flow rate. SCA equals total collection area in meter square over gas flow rate in meter cubic per second. SCA equals meter square over meter cubic per second. Question 21. What do you mean by aspect ratio in electrostatic precipitators? Answer. 1. It is the ratio of length of electrostatic precipitators to its height. 2. It should be in the range of 0.5 to 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope these courses are helpful to everyone. Subscribing to this channel Cement Industry Courses would be appreciated. Thank you.